This is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com. Check out this 1954 Fiat Topolino at the 2019 Mecum Harrisburg auction. This is a very unique car. You see these always built into drag cars. But the Topolino really was the Italian people's car. This is a convertible with the 1500, actually it's 1569 four-cylinder. It's a rear-wheel drive car. Look at this mechanism here. Very simple car. Again, remember, this is the people's car built in Italy. Radio delete is the whole thing. Just beautiful. Look at a little handbrake down there. Let's see if we lighten this up a bit. Vents. That is a back seat. Oh my gosh. As the name implies, Topolino. You see the sliding windows. What a little cutie. It's funny is that the wheels are actually pretty big. What are they, 13s I think they are? I'm looking for a size. Oh, let's see. I'll get back to you. This one I cannot find the size on. Ah, there it is, 15s. 165 15s, like the early Volkswagen. That's a spare tire hatch back there. I'm going to pull back so you get a full view of the Topolino. Again, 1954 Fiat Topolino. I'm going to try to go underneath. Bear with me 1 minute. You've got conventional suspension, solid rear axle with leaf springs. Look at that sway bar. That's at least a ½ inch. You can see how skinny the 165s are. Let's continue on. Just a cute little Fiat, folks. This is the 500cc mill under the hood. You see the radiators in reverse? You can see the four cylinders, but look how tiny it is from here to here. That's it. That's about 6 inches or so long for the whole four cylinder. The fan is in the back, driven off the camshaft. You can just barely see down there. The tiny little carburetor with the spark arrestor up on top. I'll focus in. Everything's so small, I gotta watch it focus. That's the choke line over there. Now, of course, that's your footwell. I love the little gas tank. Oh gosh, this thing is so remarkable. Little Topolino. Just beautiful. Just beautiful. That's your overflow tank, I think? No. That's hydraulics, probably for the brakes. Nope. Could not tell you. That might. Let's see. Well, no, that's just a solid tank. I'll get back to you on that. I like the Italian flair there. Side markers. Again, this is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2019 Mecum Harrisburg. For more cool events like this, make sure you check NortheastWheelsEvents.com, SoutheastWheelsEvents.com, UKWheelsEvents.com. While you're there, post and share your events directly onto your online calendar of events.